Hi, my name's Joanna and I work for Galileo. My job is to create projects for kids to help them grow as innovators. For today's challenge, you'll create at least 8 different drawings, all from a dot. You'll need to be visionary by thinking beyond your last idea to come up with something new for every drawing you create. Come on, let's get started.
The first step is to find your materials. Here are some of the things you could use. Some index cards, or a piece of paper cut into 8 pieces, a quarter or other small circle to trace, a pencil, and 2 colors to draw with, like markers, color pencils, or crayons. To start off, you'll trace your circle on each index card. You can trace it in a different spot on each card, and make a couple go off the edge. Next, color the circles in to make them stand out. Now it's time to be visionary. Imagine how to turn the dot into something different on each card. You can make the dot the main object of your drawing, or it could be just one part of something bigger. Another way to think of ideas is by thinking of a different category for each card, like an animal for one drawing, food for another, and maybe something you wear for the next one. Or you can make all your doodles fit under one category. For example, making them all about outer space. If you've got even more ideas, don't stop at just 8. Keep going. You can even give the dot papers to other people to have them create some doodles too.
Well, that's it for this challenge. If you created some visionary dot doodles, we'd love to see them. So please take a picture and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.